We at ABC Seamless are committed to only providing the highest quality products for your home. We start with seamless steel siding. We don't offer the lower quality vinyls and some of that stuff because it's going to stand up to the weather elements and the wind and the hail and those sort of things that we get in this country. It is all a maintenance-free product. If you're on this site looking for a product that's going to eliminate your painting and going to free up some time to do some other things, ABC Seamless is the product. That also includes all the other work that we could do to your house, whether it's the soffit and fascia, the trim around doors, trim around windows, replacement windows also, very, very high quality as far as energy efficiency, very low air infiltration issues with those, and again, that's important in the windy country out here. Thank you for taking the time to explore us. We'd be happy to come out and give you a free, no obligation, no hassle, no pressure, in-house consultation and explore your home improvement needs.